Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the line spacing in Canva. Let's get into it. First, pick your words. The first step is to select the text you want to change. You need to tell the computer exactly which part of your project needs more or less space. Click on the box of words on your screen. Make sure a blue or purple line appears around the words to show they are picked, because the tool needs to know which specific sentences you want to work on. You have to click the text so that the special settings for words show up at the top of your screen. Without this step, the computer won't know you want to change the spacing of your writing today. Next, find the spacing button. You need to find the specific button that controls the gaps between your letters and your lines. Look at the top bar of the screen and find the icon that looks like text with an arrow pointing left and right. Click on this spacing icon to open a small menu with sliders, because it opens the hidden controls for your text. This button is like a magic key that lets you move your lines closer together or further apart. It ensures you don't have to delete or move boxes manually, allowing you to change the whole look in an instant. Next, move the line spacing slider. Now you are going to actually change the amount of room between each row of words. Look for the slider that says line spacing and move the little circle to the left or right. Watch your words as they move up and down until the gap looks just right, because it gives your words more breathing room. By moving the slider, you are making it easier for people to read without their eyes getting tired. It is the key step to getting the right output and making your design look perfectly balanced. And that's it. To change line spacing in Canva, you must first click on your text box to select it. Then, you click the spacing icon at the top of the screen. Next, you move the line spacing slider until the gaps look right. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.